Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. NIO just announced another share offering. This time it's for $1.3 billion. But as always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. NIO proposes offering of $650 million in aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due 2026 and $650 million in aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due 2027. The company intends to grant the initial purchases in the notes, offering a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional $100 million in aggregate principal amount of both the notes. NIO, a pioneer in China's premium smart electric vehicle market, today announced a proposed offering of $650 million in aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due 2026 and $650 million in aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due 2027, subject to market conditions and other factors. The company intends to grant the initial purchases in the notes, offering a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional $100 million in aggregate principal amount of the 2026 notes and $100 million in aggregate principal amount of the 2027 notes. The company plans to use the net proceeds from the notes offering mainly for general corporate purposes and to further strengthen its cash and balance sheet positions. The company highlighted its EV vision at the weekend and unveiled an electric sedan called the ET7 this weekend that it promises will have autonomous capabilities and, eventually, a solid-state battery option. NIO stock is down after hours. I know this was a very quick one, but I just wanted to let you know this latest news from NIO. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.